But even know if we introduce it as like, you know, obviously we can't call a name on the show or whatever the case may be. But you know, I'm sure you probably hear people say music influence violence, and you as a man where as we serve you, that's either can say it's like 87.
Till I bleed bullets and perform with shot. Play with fire, you get burned. We live mad, nothing done safe. We kill boy, we kill girl. Shoulda leave while you dead front, you're involved. Shoulda leave while you dead front, you're involved. Want be a puppet, want be a little gun. Remember you was a blood clot fan. Boy, mother pillar fuck with your memory. So tell me now you is a fan or you is a enemy. Been fucking up the ground and that bring me jealousy. One law now live off and no man energy. Pass me the Glock with the color rubber grip. None of them a chip, all of them a fish. Take bait, take press, nobody no sit. My man pick out a side, do no pick. Till I bleed bullets and perform with shot. Play with fire, you get burned. We live mad, nothing done safe. We kill boy, we kill girl. Shoulda leave while you dead front, you're involved. Shoulda leave while you dead front, you're involved. Want be a puppet, want be a little gun. Remember you was a blood clot fan. Boy, mother pillar fuck with your memory. So tell me now you is a fan or you is a enemy. Been fucking up the ground and that bring me jealousy. One law now live off and no man energy.
Always aim to do things out. I box like all chronic lad.
Remember fine you go meet squash man. Headshot, chest play, none of them know this. Till I bleed bullets and perform with shot. Play with fire, you get burned. We live mad, nothing done safe. We kill boy, we kill girl. Shoulda leave while you dead front, you're involved. Shoulda leave while you dead front, you're involved. Want be a puppet, want be a little gun. Remember you was a blood clot fan. Boy, mother pillar fuck with your memory. So tell me now you is a fan or you is a enemy. Been fucking up the ground and that bring me jealousy. One law now live off and no man energy. Me rise gonna them at you.
Always aim to do things out. I box like all chronic lad.